Hello students, myself Rudresh Tiwari. I am going to teach class 8th English literature part, chapter 1st, The Clouds. Students, this is the poem, and first of all we must know about its theme, that the floating clouds. The poet is describing about the floating clouds in the clear blue sky, changes pattern every now and then. Students, as you can see in the sky, the clouds can move here and there, and for any moment. So the poet compares them to a flock of sheep grazing in the pasture below. The poet is comparing the floating clouds with the sheep which are grazing in the pasture. The poet imagines that the blowing wind is like the shepherd boy who drives them down to their fold before sunset. And shepherd boys are the slow wind, according to the poet, and as the slow wind blow, the clouds are moving here and there in the sky. In the same way, shepherd boy used to graze the sheep in the pasture with their help. Now let's start the stanza. Stanza first. The sky is full of clouds today, and idly to and fro. The poet is describing that today the sky is full of clouds, and idly, slowly to and fro, and they are moving here and there, slowly and steadily, like sheep among the pasture. As we can see, the sheep are grazing in the pasture in very slow way, in very slow motion. In the same way, as the winds blow, the clouds are moving in the sky like them. So, second stanza. I hear the wind with merry noise. Here I is denote to the poet, and the poet is describing happily around the housetop sweep. Standing on the housetops, the poet can see the shepherd boys, how the shepherd boys are grazing their sheep in the pasture, and at the evening time how they can drive their sheep to the homes. The clouds move faster now, and see the west is red and gold. Each sheep seems hastening to be the first within the fold. All the sheep, as the clouds move in the sky in the gathering, in the same way the sheep are moving, are grazing in the pasture, are moving towards the home in the same way. I watch them hurry on until and blue in clear and deep, the dream that far beyond the hill the shepherds fold their sheep. The poet can watch them hurry on until the blue is clear and deep, and dream that far beyond the hill, and the poet can see the sheep are moving nearby the hilly area, and how can shepherd boys move them towards the home. Then in the sky the trembling star like little flowers shine out, Now the poet is describing about the star, how the stars are moving, are appearing in the sky, and the poet is describing to the stars that they are appearing like the little flowers, while night puts up the shadow bars and darkness fall about. And as you know, students, you can see the stars in the sky at night. In the same way, the same thing the poet is describing, that the night time is falls on and you can see the stars in the sky. In the last stanza, the poet is describing, I hear the shepherd wish good night and happy sleep, and dream that in the east all white slumber, the clouds the sheep. Here the poet is bidding good night, and also he can heard the voice of shepherd boy, how the shepherd boy bid the good night for the happy sleep, and dream that in the east all white slumber, the clouds the sheep. And the same way as the clouds at night time, for some time they can stop themselves, in the same way the sheep are sleeping in their homes. Thanks a lot.